Alright. Hello, we are Team H2O, and today we will start discuss our intermediate standout 3. And I'm Vincent. I will be the Scrum Master for this standout. Next, we will discuss our discussion plan. For today, we will perform status check for task D4 to D6 first. And then we will move on to update task duration on MS project. Later, we will update the status to the Scrum board. And lastly, we will discuss the next meeting date and time because I think we don't have enough time. So we have to discuss another day and time.
Sure.
Yeah. Sure. So I think now we have to perform the status check for D4 to D6. This part was done by Jia. So could Jia share your screen and perform it?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
I think you need to unshare first.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this is the financial dashboard prototype that I've created for ETW Corporation Limited. Here you can see I've added timeline, and here I tried to make it more interactive by adding some buttons. So the clients can navigate through by, for example, pressing Control-click, and then it will direct them to the page that they want to. And so the financial performance tab, cash movement, as well as the invoices tab are quite different from the mockup design. Basically, I've arranged the metrics here, and so here are the charts. Basically, these 4 charts are the same, except that I've replaced the table with cost of sales for over the past 5 months. Yeah, and moving on to the cash movement tab. All these 4 graphs I've remained, and this one I've added the amount by bank account, so they can use the slicer to see the amount for each bank account. And then this was previously a table which showed the cash received, cash spent, closing balance, opening balance of the total in a table. But I thought that it would be quite difficult to read in a table, so I've changed it into cards. Then they can select the date that they want, to see. Okay, so next, the third tab will be the invoices tab. So I've created this CSV table for the receivables and payables. So R represents accounts receivable and P represents accounts payable. So the client can look through easily if they want the necessary information. And here is the company names and the dates. Yeah. So that is all from me. Is it okay? Do you guys have any issues with it?
How do you I saw from this financial performance, when you click on it, it will auto link you to there. So how do you add this link in?
Okay. Basically, I've added it through the bookmark. So yeah. Basically, you have to, I added buttons, and there are a few choices here. I selected the blank one. So firstly, I just created the shape, and then I used the button to put it on top, and then I assign the button to bookmarks. Bookmarks will be the links and all that. Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, do you guys have any questions for Jia's part?
I think for me it's already very good. It's very interactive, and the design itself is so much very, very nice.
Yeah, right. So we can move on to the next step. We will go to the Microsoft project now and to update the task duration. Okay, so it's here. Here. Jia, may I know how long did you do your task for D4 and D56?
For the financial performance, I use around 2 days.
Financial performance 2 days. Okay.
Yes, and then cash position is 2 days as well.
Okay.
Invoices is just 1 day.
Okay. 1 day. So I mark this task as completed. And this one. Is it? Do we have to mark these two as completed too?
I think yes.
Yes, yes. Because it's the milestone, right?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So we finished this step, and we will move on to the next step is to the padlet and move the working type to complete. Wait a minute. Yeah. Go to padlet. As these 3 tasks is already done by Jialet, so I will move these 3 from working to completed. And since we already done all of our tasks, I think we can complete our intermediate sign out already for this task in this recording. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think this deadline can just move to here for our computation date
I think you just need to delete it lah
or just delete. Okay.
for deadline. Yeah, because we already finished anyway, right? For all
Yeah,
of the
okay. So
tasks for dashboarding.
so I will delete this task. Okay. So we already done all the tasks. And lastly, I think we have to discuss the next next discussion date and time for our final stand up. Yeah. So when do you guys free?
Perhaps during weekend.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
weekend is better.
Maybe Saturday.
Okay,
Is it
fine.
fine? Sunday, is it fine that we make it Sunday? Because I have another assignment meeting on Saturday, so I'm afraid I might not be able to make it on Saturday. Is it convenient for you all?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
sure.
can.
Yeah,
can,
Sunday
yeah.
I'm free anytime. Like, yeah, as long as you are convenient.
How
Uh,
about morning?
is it okay if we do it at night or evening, late evening?
Can like
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So Sunday is 17 October, is it?
yeah,
Yeah.
17.
Yes.
So the deadline is on 22 October.
Yes.
I'm just afraid that we don't have enough time lah. I mean, what do you guys think lah? Maybe if we make it like sooner for the final stand up and then we can proceed. So in the weekend we can start on the memo or something. I mean, it's
Yeah.
up to you guys.
How about Friday night?
I think Friday is okay for me.
Friday can. What time? Is it, you mean like today or?
Friday night, I'm okay.
I'm
I have
okay
an
too.
interview from 8 to 9. So like after 9, I'm free.
Okay, after
Yes.
night. Same
So
as
like,
today. How about?
yeah, same as today, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we finished our intermediate thing out today. Any questions?
All good.
Not for me.
Yeah, I think all good, right? So it's fixed, right? So we will meet again for the final stand up on Friday night, is it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys for coming. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.